Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Mortgage Musketeer. Today is the first episode of 2021. First and foremost, thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate your support. And if you have not subscribed and you're watching this, do me a favor, click that, smash that subscribe button. Help me out, help support, it keeps me going. All right, so we're going to start a new thing in 2021. This is going to be called the Monday Mortgage Minute. All right, so in today's Mortgage Monday Minute, we're going to be talking about becoming a master of your bank statement. So this is critical for your loan process. If you don't know how to go online and print your monthly monthly bank statement, you're going to struggle throughout this whole loan process. So knowing that, go online now and see, are you set up for online statements? If you're not, get set up for online statements. If you don't know where to find your monthly bank statement, you need to spend the time now when you're thinking about buying a home and find how to print a monthly bank statement. You're going to need two typically, okay? The second thing, you're going to need to figure out, how do you print a date range, a transaction history, all right? So you need a very specific transaction history. More is not better, right? At the end of the last bank statement to today, figure out how to print that date range. Once you pull it up, right click, change printer, print to PDF. That'll save it to a folder or desktop, and that's going to create the URL at the bottom that we're going to need in order to tie it back to that base bank statement. So figure out how to operate your bank statement, figure out how to go in there, become a master of your bank statement. Remember, it's your lending resume. All right, until next time, it's all for one and one for all.